What's up, guys? The iPhone 12, this year's new iPhone, has still so many questions to be answered. What about the packaging? How much RAM will it have? What are the hertz of the display? We're going to take a look at all of these, as well as some really cool news about some of the new Macs and iMacs. Alright, let's dive right in. So, you probably already heard about these news. The iPhone 12's box will literally have almost nothing in it. So no more headphones and no more charger, but you will get a cable though. There is a design from Concept's iPhone that shows the different packaging that we might be seeing. Now, looking at it, it is very minimalistic and seems to line up with Apple being more and more eco-friendly, so that makes sense. But now comes the horrible part. Well, only if you believe it. Apple is removing almost everything from the box, and the source is saying that the iPhone will increase in price by $50. But if you think about it, this just doesn't make sense. So I really doubt that this will happen. But if it would happen, then I don't think many people would go and even consider buying the new iPhone. So if the charger is removed, does that mean Apple won't be offering a charger? No, they will definitely be selling chargers separately. Normally this would be an 18-watt charger, right? Well, no, this year Apple is said to be working on a 20-watt charger that they will sell separately, which makes sense considering that the batteries will be getting a little bigger, so having that quicker charge is a good idea. Moving over to the display, original rumors said that we should be getting the 120Hz display that we currently have on the iPad Pros. There has been a big debate and sources are not agreeing whether or not we'll be seeing this. However, sources like Digitimes and John Prosser have said multiple times that 120Hz displays should be coming. So this is really confusing, but I believe that the 120Hz displays will be on the iPhone in 2020. It just sounds unrealistic to not get that higher refresh rate, since that would really be the only difference between the 12 and the 12 Pro. Without it, why would anyone buy it? Further, almost all other manufacturers out there have managed 120Hz refresh rate, so it definitely means Apple can do it. But there might still be a difference between the 12 and 12 Pro if they don't have a 120Hz display. We have a new rumor from @LoveToDream who's saying that the iPhone 12 Pro should be shipping with 6 GB of RAM. The other iPhones will remain on the 4 GB, which updated in 2019, but the 6 GB means the Pro iPhone will have the same speed as the iPad Pro. Alright, let's move over to the Macs. Sonny Dixon is saying that the new MacBook Air won't make it through 2020 and might very likely be discontinued. But this is actually a good thing. With Apple Silicon, the MacBook Air and the other MacBook Pros would be very similar, so it makes sense to remove one of them. The only Macs available will be a new 14-inch, which is going to be the 13-inch being upgraded to 14, and the original 16-inch, which went from the 15-inch up to 16 last year. So, in fact, the Air is discontinued, and the Pros will become the MacBook. Just MacBook. Now, remember all the rumors about a possible iMac coming during WWDC? Well, all of us were heartbroken. At least all of us that are waiting to upgrade and to just get a newer design. Sonny Dixon said that it was supposed to come there, but apparently it is still just coming soon. So, what we already knew. We knew that the 21.5-inch lower-end iMac was going to have thinner bezels and the iPad Pro-like design. Now we are hearing that this lower-end iMac could go up to 24 inches, and the higher-end iMac, the 27-inch one, is said to be going to 30 to 32 inches, which is really cool. They are saying that the size of the iMac will remain the same, but the bezels will be thinned out a lot, allowing for that larger display. Now, we are hearing that the iMac could be coming in the fourth quarter of 2020, but nothing is for sure. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, then please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay notified when I release my next video. Also, if you missed my previous video, then please click the card shown up here. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.